In the year 711, Muslims conquered the Iberian Peninsula and maintained their power until 1492. Over the span of about 800 years, Islamic Spain experienced a golden age where Muslims, Jews, and Christians lived in relative harmony. During this golden age, Muslims and non-Muslims collaborated in many fields including literature, poetry, architecture, science, math, and more. Muslims were instrumental in bringing Greek philosophy to Western Europe. Working side by side with Muslims, Jews during this period played an important role in translating these texts between languages. There is a strong Islamic and Arab influence that remains in contemporary language and architecture. Alhambra Palace is an iconic Muslim structure built during the medieval Islamic period in Granada, Spain. Modern-day Spanish is greatly influenced by Arabic. About 4,000 words, or 8% of the Spanish dictionary, has words rooted in or derived from Arabic. It is the second largest lexical influence on modern-day Spanish after Latin. In Islamic Spain, Christians and Jews were classified as dhimmis, which meant they were protected non-Muslims. They were free to practice their faith and could contribute to society through business and culture. Nowadays, the term dhimmi is used in certain right-wing circles to paint Muslims in an unfavorable light, divorced from this true cultural context. Another novel feature of Spain under Islamic rule was the unique presence of appointed officials known as mutasabs. Mutasabs were in charge of maintaining particular standards of fairness and cleanliness in society. They reserved the right to punish those who did not follow the set standards or failed to perform their job duties correctly. Muslims and Arabs greatly shaped modern-day cities in Spain, including Granada, Cordoba, and Toledo. For example, Cordoba, the capital city during the 10th century in Islamic Spain, was a major site of wealth, knowledge, and civilization, with hundreds of mosques and baths, as well as numerous bookshops and libraries. The eventual downfall of the Islamic Empire helped shape modern-day Spain and the world as we know it. The Reconquista of Spain caused Muslims and Jews to largely be expelled from Spain. The Spanish crown then instituted the Spanish Inquisition, a period of brutal repression of non-Christians. Both the Reconquista and the Inquisition were very costly to Christian Spain. Thus, Columbus was sent west to discover new trade routes to Asia, and eventually landed in the Americas and colonized the New World. About the Abrahamic Center for Cultural Education. An initiative of the Islamic Food and Nutrition Council of America, the ACCE is dedicated to promoting the understanding of Islam and Muslims through the lens of the Abrahamic faiths.